Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be talking about the LG Wing, a smartphone that surprised the world due to its amazing concept and design, which are new to the mobile industry and pledge to modify how we interact with our phones. First, before we start with the video, please make sure to subscribe and to hit the like button if you like my content. So, let's start with the video. Everyone thought that the smartphone industry nowadays was all about folding phones, and it seemed that anyone who deviated from that path would not get any attention. But LG made a change since they announced the LG Wing, a new phone with a new concept of what a phone would look like. As you see in the images, the LG Wing would have two screens, but differing to folding phones, it will have two screens in just 10.9 mm thick, almost the same thickness in which any other device offers one screen, in such way that we would be able to make multiple tasks at the same time. The way the screen works is by just flipping the screen if you want to watch YouTube or Netflix, for example, and text at the same time. Talking about the specs of this phone, more precisely the screen, we have a 7-inch screen, where another GOLED 3.9-inch panel is located at the bottom. Although the main attraction of this phone is the screen, we don't have to forget about the processor, which is a Snapdragon 765G, and the incredible storage capacity it has, with 8 GB of RAM memory and 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage that we can expand via microSD up to 2 TB. Another thing to talk about the LG Wing is the camera that comes with three 64, 13 and 12 megapixel sensors with ultra high resolution, wide angle and ultra wide angle functions respectively. The front camera is also very innovative, with a module that is hidden in the body of the phone and that offers us a quality of 32 megapixels. Finally, this mobile offers a 4000 mAh battery, which is not crazy, but it is very competent, and an IPS54 certification, resistant to water and dust. The price isn't confirmed yet, but we think it would be a little bit pricey, since it is a concept phone and it has the latest technology. So, what do you think about the LG Wing? Do you think LG is going through the right path with this smartphone? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the like button. See you soon and take care.